What is up, beautiful people? Welcome back to the channel. Look at this beautiful, gloomy, rainy day. It's also my birthday, but welcome back to the channel. My name is Tony. Today we're gonna be working on the GR86 once again. Yeah, let's look at this, guys. Look at this. Holy, it was literally like 70, 75, mid 70 yesterday. And sunny, beautiful. Now look at this. End of April, by the way. Raining. All right, let me move the 86 in, and we'll get right to it. All right, so the 86 is in the garage now. Look at this thing, bro. Wet, wet, wet. But look. Ceramic coated the car recently, and look at that, bro. Look at that beating. Okay. Give this car a little quick wipe down, and then we'll get right into the front lip installation. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Boom! Check this out. We got the new Sayber Design front lip in FR. Why do I keep saying FRP? In polyurethane. On my previous cars, you know, the E93, E92, on the F30, we all ran carbon lips, but I think the carbon is just too expensive to maintain, you know. Put it on, 2 weeks later, it's broken. And with how low I'm trying to be with the GR86, I think it's safe to say polyurethane is gonna be our best bet. And it's way cheaper, bro. Shout out to Sayber Design. My brothers actually picked this up for me for my birthday. What's funny is they picked it up hella early because they were afraid that I was gonna pick it up for myself. But yeah, thank God they're local, right? Sayber Design is local. Just down the freeway, so we were able to pick this up. Alright, so the car is up in the air now. Let's go ahead and mock up where we want this lip to be. Tape it up. Hopefully the tape sticks because this thing is wet and it is ceramic coated, so hopefully the tape sticks. And then we'll see which tabs we can reuse and then where we need to drill holes. That's definitely not sticky. Alright, so I got the help of my handy dandy jack right there holding up the center of the lip. If you look back here, you see here, it lines right up. You see those edges right there? Perfect, bro. So we're gonna have to remove that tab and try to reuse that one. And then there's a couple at the bottom that we'll be using as well. Alright, so we got the lip mocked up. Check this out. I was only able to hold it with 2 pieces of tape, and look, it's the tape is hanging off still, bro. But yeah, look how aggressive this thing look. Holy, from this angle. Holy. But yep. So I got the holes marked out. Last look before I start drilling into this thing. Damn. Look who it is, bro. Look who it is, bro. Straight from Sayber Design. Alright, let's go. Holy, what is going on out here, bro? Look at this. Just trying to install my lip and it started to pour. Yo, this is California, bro. Holy. So check it. I got the holes marked out where I want to drill. How accurate it is, who knows? We'll find out once we start drilling and putting it on. But bro, I made this area so that I could have a little, a little bench area to work on. But look, when someone finds an empty spot, they always use that storage, bro. And why we got a bunch of shit on here? Alright, just gotta go ahead and start drilling right now. Let me grab one of these tabs, see how big we actually want to drill this thing. Yup. Dang, whoa. My Pocket 3 automatically just turned itself off. And now I'm wondering if I film all of the clips of me drilling the holes. Oh my. Alright, well, if it is deleted, well, I end up drilling the holes. I got it back on the car. You see those holes that I drilled out. So, if I did this correctly, I should be able to use most of the tabs. We'll go ahead and just put in some self-tappers just to make sure that it's secured. But yeah, let's see if I did my measurements right. Alright, yo. I don't know if I'm getting too excited, but check this out. Can you guys see that? Hold on, I'm gonna get a flashlight real quick. Boom. I put that first tab in. And look at that, bro. That thing is sick. Look at that fitment though. Mint. Just kidding. But once I'm able to put the self-tappers in, it'll hold up like this. And then that fitment will be fixed. Alright, y'all, so check that out. The front lip is on. Not held up by the jack stand, the jack no more. I was able to reuse about 8 of the tabs, I think. And then I just self-tappered the front of the lip. Look at that. Check that out, bro. Damn. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Yeah, from this angle, look at this. Damn, look at that shit. I'm not gonna lie, this shit looks lit. Bring you outside the garage real quick. Now that it's sunny again, look at this, bro. Well, not sunny. Now that it stopped raining, the birds are singing. Now that we got the front lip on, what else we need? I got the Grady Vortex diffuser sitting in the room, waiting for the exhaust cover to come in so I could put that on before I put the diffuser on, because I don't want to do that work twice. And then I don't know, should I get the TRD side skirts or should I just throw on the Sayber Design side skirts? I don't know yet. I still haven't made up my mind. I still don't know if I want to paint match all the aero stuff. That's also one of the reasons why I got in polyurethane, because I had thoughts about paint matching it so it's the same color as the car. But let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. Should I keep it black? Should I keep the side skirts black once I get it, or should I just paint match it? But yeah, final look. And then we get it off the jack, pull it outside. Dang, that thing, bro. Let's see how low this thing is. Because it's already low stock, so we'll see how low it gets. Dang, we almost forgot the most important part of this, bro. Come on. How can we forget about the badging? Right there. You get it? Get it perfectly straight. Boom. Look at that. Sayber Design. Boom. Holy. Bro, look at this. We are lucky, bro. Y'all see that gap? Once we lower this thing on coils, it's over for us, bro. But for now, yeah, I think we're good. Send my code start. No, that's out in the sun, bro. Check that out. Damn, that thing looks good. All right, let me grab some quick cinematics for y'all, and we call it a day, bruh. Alright, so just a little sneak peek of Johnny's WRX. He literally threw on some BC coilovers the other day. Not sure if he made a video, but if he did, I'll link you guys to it. But check that out, bro. Dang, a family of 5 rats moved out, and a family of 2 rats moved in. Dang. Hey, no joke though, it does look better. It does look better. Hey, the wheel gap on the GR86 will be fixed soon, I promise. It could go lower. If it were me, I'd go lower, but that's just me. But look at this guy, look at this guy. Hey, not gonna lie, look at this lineup. Look at this sick ass lineup. Dang, we're just missing Jimmy, bro. Jimmy needs to get his S2K. Dang. Sick ass lineup. Alright, y'all, so that's all for the video today. Oh my. Just little disclaimer, if I didn't show a lot of the installation. Little disclaimer, this is not meant to be a tutorial on how to install your lip. If you guys do want a tutorial, I'll link Kevin Bo's tutorial video in the description. That's where I learned how to do everything on the GR86. Kevin Bo's the man. But yeah, I'm gonna end it here today, guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Lates.